So can you see the difference here? This one, this part looks more lifted, whereas as compared to this part. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I was just sitting randomly and thinking what should I share with you today, because I normally share with you quite serious stuff. I was like, let's do something fun on my channel this time. So what it would be, basically I would be sharing with you within 5 minutes how can you instantly, lift up your face, and I'm not lying, you will see for yourself. I will also share with you another hack which will be about anti-aging and lifting up your face like instantly. Having wrinkles or so, or having sagging skin, it's totally fine, but we can definitely try and look better. So let's start. So first thing first is that please ignore my grays. Anyways, I'm also going to share with you how I color my grays. Would you like to see that video? Do comment below, I'll be more than happy. Like, keep your hair back like that, and then from the sides itself you're going to pick up two sides, like from each side. How do you do that? What you have to do is you have to pick little bit of hair from this side. Okay, so you just observe how quickly my face lifts, because this thing is looking droopy right now little. Obviously now I'm 42, so little droopiness is okay. So this part I'm gonna pick. So I have chosen this. I'm gonna keep it like this here. Okay, and similarly on this side I'm gonna pick one part here which I feel will lift my face. So don't take a lot of it, take few strands like this, and rest of it, whatever is left here. So let's just tie here this one. I'm going to tie this so that it doesn't move. Once again, I do look funny, but okay. And the rest of it here, this part, I'm going to take like this, and I'm going to tie it like this. So you could be using a clutcher, you can use a rubber, you can do whatever. And then I'm just using the rubber here, just tying it like that. Now I will untie this part and I will move to the other side. I'll show you exactly like how I do it. Okay, for this you will need bobby pins. A lot of people, they use rubber bands to do that. I tried that one, but it didn't work for me. It actually pulled out a lot of hair, so I'm not gonna do. I loved using the bobby pins. So now what I'm gonna do is this part of the hair that I chose, which I want to be used for lifting, I'm gonna pull it up like that and twist it here like this and pull it hard. Pull it hard like this, and then here I will place it and pin it. And I'm also going to share with you one more trick to lift up your face. So don't go anywhere, because I will be sharing with you that also. Super easy to do, but it makes a huge difference in your face. And do make sure that you cross one of the pins from the top, bring it downwards, so that everything is fixed and it doesn't move. So can you see the difference here? This part looks more lifted, whereas as compared to this part of my face, this one is more lifted. My eye area looks more lifted and all. So same thing we're gonna do this side, and then you twist it like that. Same way I'm gonna pin this part also. So if you look from the front, you can't even make out that I have done any such thing, but normally I don't do, but today only I did, because I got to know about it recently and I could not wait to share with you. But it does give you a little bit of lift, instant lift, and does make you look 5 years younger at least. Alright, so this was my first hack. Now let's move on to the second hack quickly, which is about using the makeup for lifting up your face immediately. So what you do in that is, you will be needing a concealer. So I'm using the NYX HD concealer. You can use anything that you have, and obviously your beauty blender. So what you do is, you will be applying the concealer innermost corner, because this is the place where we normally get a lot of darkness, and it ages us a lot. So you're going to apply a little bit here in the inner corners and here in the outer corner. So I'm going to teach you, and like this, in a upward way, like that. So you have to apply your concealer like this. With that, there are two more places where you have to apply the concealer. I'm going to tell you that. So this one I will use my finger. I like using my finger for the innermost. You can even apply a lighter eyeshadow like a shimmer eyeshadow or so in the inner corners to brighten up your face. So you're going to apply it like this way and blending towards upward motion, you know, like that. And then you can also do one more thing is apply in the high points of your face, like here, this one. And then you can take a little bit around the eye area, but take it all up towards the temple like that. You apply the concealer like this way, this way, this though anyways a lot of beauty influencers do teach you that you can be clearing up your contour from here like that, and could be lifting up your face like that. So this is how you're going to lift up your face. So do try it, do let me know how it went for you, because I'm really excited to see if it works for everyone, or is it only me thinking that it works. And also giveaway I'm going to announce soon. Still I am not sure what I want to give you all. I'm still skeptical, doubtful, but I am going to give you something very soon. So do stay tuned for that, do subscribe, do hit the notification bell, and take care. Bye.